I started a program about 15 years ago called Teaching the Living. I've begun to realize that there is a direct correlation between people's emotions and their general way of being in the world and the type of activity and the type of responses that they're getting back in their life. I want you guys to think about your emotions kind of like a radio dial. The worst of the worst on the one end, okay? We've got the negative stuff, the depression or grief or loss, all the way up to things as maybe as minor as frustration. The other side of the spectrum is all the good stuff. It's the happiness, it's the joy, it's the fun, it's passion, it's love, it's all of these great things. And what we've learned is that these people who are kind of leaning towards the negative end of the spectrum are the ones that end up calling us with the worst kind of hauntings. So that the people who are generally happy, that are having a lot of fun with this stuff, that are passionate and they're enjoying whatever it is they're enjoying in their experience, the ones that are living with passion and love, the ones that are fun to be around, they're not having the negative experiences that these other people are encountering. That means something for us. Because when we start to deal with clients, that means that the reactions that they're having, the things that are going on in the environment, are secondary to what's going on here. Because how we present ourselves in a home, the energy that we bring into that space matters. And the whole principle behind Teaching the Living is that you can't tune into sad and get something that's really happy. The universe isn't set up that way. So we've got to get people out of their own heads, out of the fear, out of the confusion, out of the frustration, and start getting them on a path where they're receiving a different channel. The fight's not out there. And what we have to do is start changing our internal dialogue. And when we change our internal dialogue and we start working and setting ourselves up to live in a different state of being, that's when we really start to see a difference. We start to see a difference in our jobs. We start to see a difference in our health. We start to see a difference in our kids, in our family, in our relationships. And you get to start to see a difference with the paranormal stuff. All that creepy, freaky, haunted stuff that we talk about, start to see a difference in that too.